Hello, this is channel Layer Race, and in this quick Adobe After Effects tutorial I will show you how to make these light rays. This is a looped animation and this is very easy to do. Okay, let's start. New comp, let's make 1080p, 10 seconds long. First let's create a new solid. This will be our fractal noise. Let's search for fractal noise and drop on our solid. Let's change complexity to 1. Contrast maybe let's change to 150. Brightness, let's try -20. And let's make it smaller. Now let's scale it like this and bring it up and select fractal layer and pre-compose, move all attributes into new composition, and let's name this light race. Okay, close this comp. Now let's search for blur and let's select radial fast blur and drop it on here. Move the center point up like this, something like this. Let's change amount to 99. Let's change zoom to brightest, and okay, and let's scale it like this, move it up. Okay, what else can we do here? Let's go to fractal noise and transform and scale it down a little bit more, so we have a thinner rays coming out. And let's decrease brightness. Okay, now let's go into a fractal noise composition and let's animate the fractal noise. So we want to make a looped animation, so we go to evolution, select first frame and hit click on evolution stopwatch, go to last frame and enter 1 here, and let's select cycle evolution. Okay, now we have animation and our rays, light rays, are animated now. Also, whenever you create these light rays, you also have to add noise to remove the color banding. So let's search for noise and amount of noise, let's choose 5%. And that's actually it. Also, you can now make a lot of variations of these light rays. For example, I show you one, how it is easy to change. Let's, for example, select radial fast blur again, drop on this. That's 99. Yeah, as you can see, you can use multiple radial fast blur effects. To make some variations. Okay, let's just leave it at that, and that's it for this quick Adobe After Effects tutorial, and goodbye.